we are tackling CBAM, and the whole sustainability is becoming actually such a big theme across of our businesses government. It's no longer just responding to weather or climate change. It's no longer just responding to pressures with regards to, let's say, post-COVID, when we had a whole logistics challenge. Sustainability is now becoming a critical part of our thinking in every sector, both from a knowledge. So looking out, we're really trying to make sure that we cover the costs and that businesses know and are informed. Work in terms of, and please keep a lookout on our social media platforms, our websites, etc. We're trying to become that one-stop shop for you in terms of just empowering a CBAM knowledge portal. So we've just put it on our website. So if you on our Western Cape government.gov.za, you search CBAM, we're trying to cluster all that information for you in one place. Secondly, working with our partners like Westgrow, who we are running a range of workshops, webinars, and I know you're going to be talking to my colleague, Karen Bosman. We're trying to empower and having a little bit more face-to-face contact with businesses in terms of just dealing with their specific industry concerns, risks, help us make this get through this quicker, as well as international in terms of tips, etc. So it's crowding in resources and knowledge and empowering the businesses and the industries with as much information as we navigate, because it is a changing landscape. It's not a start and an end. We're learning and innovating as we go on. The second aspect is we're also investing in a industry carbon footprint calculating toolkit this year. So we're using the lessons learned from Department of Agriculture and trying to develop a bit more of a generic tool specifically for the manufacturing sector, who are very much at risk because they're very heavy, intense users with regards to electricity, water, etc. So that tool is something which we are developing in this financial year, which is by March 2025. We should have something on the table, and we want to partner with industries on that to get it up and running and utilized as much as possible. The third aspect is working with our partners like Department of Economic of DP, of Planning, Environmental Affairs and Planning, and of course Green Cape, which is bringing a webinar like this, as well as in terms of education and giving that specialized technical expertise with regards to assisting businesses. So not just additional to our industry awareness, which is exactly this sort of support, but as well as using the Green Cape inbox as a sort of a hotline where any business can phone them to get technical advice, as well as access to a specialist to come out and see their operation, etc. So that arrangement with Green Cape is also available to any business, and I encourage them to use it. And there's more information they can find about that on our website. And then thirdly, with regards to the opportunities, I'll be remiss if I don't mention it. We also don't just want to treat it as a negative, but encouraging investment. So we're busy with the Western Cape Just Energy Transition Investment Plan, which is all about matching the investment pipeline to real bankable projects. So this is a big project we're currently underway. There is a national JET IP, and this will be our provincial JET IP to unlock some of that green financing, both from a public and a private sector perspective. And then keep on the lookout. There's a lot of events, and whether it's from green hydrogen to EVs to logistics, as well as our first, which we'll host hopefully in February, March next year, our Western Cape Investment Summit, which again is there to profile our investment opportunities as a province. And if you can just see our investment pipeline and projects we've landed over the last, let's say, 3 years, in terms of the majority of them are in the green economy. So whether it's specialized manufacturing, whether it's wind turbines, whether it's solar, etc., there's a lot of investment and business opportunities in the green economy, which again is another commodity which will assist us in terms of our export-led approach.